I'm taking down an ugly poplar tree today. Stone dead, no bark, on a lean. Not a super tight spot, but I'm a little worried about it. I'm gonna try to zip line most of it over to the side there and try and film as much as I can for you guys. All right, so there's the tree. Stone dead. You can kind of see from here, you can kind of see the angle. You can see that? Like straight there, that would be like plum, and it's over here. So I'm gonna try and zip line straight down into here. It is, yeah. Oh, wow. Do you know how long it's looked like this?
I've been here 4 years.
Yeah.
It looks like that.
Great. Everyone always says it looked fine in the spring. Bullshit. Hey. Okay, I'm gonna bottom these two. Does it look like it's wobbling as much as it feels?
It's moving a little bit, like not much at the base at all, but up there.
The sap rot is actually much worse than a heart rot in a tree. So like if your spurs just go right into mush on the outside, that's a much worse sign than the inside being rotten. Okay. Go. What is this concoction here? Daisy chain. She's wobbly. So that'll be that'll be the anchor, I guess, for a few of these for a zip line. Wobbly. There you go. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna drop this big one. I'll do the next one too. Take this stuff right off. This big one here. All right, I need my slings in the wheelbarrow there. She is nasty. Okay. Come on now. We need some communication here, boys. Okay, so just like that, I don't want it crazy tight. I just want you to leave it like that. If you have to let it go at the last second there and bomb it, that's fine. I want to try and do as little shock load as I can, right?
Yeah.
It could even be a little looser, I bet. But let's try that. Nice work.
Okay?
Yep. Yes, sir. This one you can do a bit tighter. I'm going to try and turn it more away from the fence before it comes off. That's right, just completely let go.
Yeah.
Nice job. You can see me really fighting the lean, eh? Can you see the lean now? This would be straight, right? The trunk should be like there. It's way the hell over there. All right. This ugly one out the back might be difficult. We'll see. Okay. I think if I put a sling out here, I think I can get it to sort of flop like this, upside down, and get it to like that. Okay. So, kind of like that, I think. All right. Ew. She dropped pretty good, eh?
Is that on video?
Yep. Did you let go of it?
No.
No?
No, I could see it was going to come right down low.
Ah. It's alright. That's alright. It's alright. Maybe if you took it that way, then that would compensate for the lean, and then I could put it right in there. That might work. Clear. So I'm going to try and compensate with the lean with the rope. Got it up here in the top. I'm gonna try and pull it in this general direction, and I'm gonna aim it right in here, and hopefully I can get it to bomb in there. So I'm just gonna go down a bit. So that's where I want to be making my cut there. Probably 20 feet, at least 20 feet above me there. Okay. Great success. That went really well. Hopefully you can kind of tell what I was doing there. I know it's really hard to tell on video. Like, this tree does have a good lean to the side, so, and I'm trying, everything's going this way over top of this neighbor's yard over here, and I'm trying to get everything over here, right? So, and I'm worried, obviously it's stone dead. The neighbor says it's been stone dead for 4 years, so who knows how long it's actually been dead, right? Well, it looks fine in the spring, man. Oh yeah, right. So, I'm gonna try and do a chunk like this. Go. Okay. Okay. Wow.
It looks smaller.
Textbook. It looks smaller.
It did.
That's what she said. Okay. Brilliant. Nice work. There you go. This guy's been watching YouTube. He ain't just making stuff up. Look at that. Give her shit. Come on. Come on. There you go. Nice work. Beauty.
There's a big pole.
Beauty. What do you think? Flop her in there?
Yeah. Yeah, we're good.
Awesome. Right on. Alright, well, that was the whole thing from the ground to the top and back down to the peg. So we're going to flop this over and move on to the next one.